Hello there. The weather story in Europe has been dominated by heat just recently, hasn't it? Well, the heat is still there, but abating a little, particularly across parts of Spain and Portugal. We've also got some sharp showers in the forecast affecting central and southern Italy, and also moving their way steadily eastwards across the Balkans. Some showers through southern parts of Poland into Slovakia, as well as we go through the start of the weekend. Eastern Mediterranean is fine and settled at the moment. We've got some warmth here as well, not as hot as it can get at this time of year. Those are showers across southern Italy. Few showers likely inland across Spain as well. And look at this, temperatures easing potentially by nearly 10 degrees across western France. That will certainly come as welcome news. There's those sharp showers I was talking about. The rain easing across the west coast of Norway. It's been pretty unsettled here for the last day or so. Now, as we move into Sunday, we could see some thundery showers developing across France, and they will drift their way steadily northwards, perhaps across the south coast of the UK towards the end of Sunday and into the early hours of Monday. Here's the city forecast then. More showers to come for London from Monday onwards. Still plenty of sunshine elsewhere. And further east, well, there is the risk of a few sharp showers continuing across Warsaw, but in Split, it's hot, settled and sunny for the week ahead. Hello there. Let's take a look at what's happening across Africa before moving on to the Middle East. In Africa, there is plenty to talk about at the moment, and there are two areas of interest you can see quite clearly on the satellite picture. One, some intense showers developing close to the equator now, and also a weather front pushing into South Africa. That, as it moves through, bringing some fresher weather conditions, and certainly welcome news here. And the showers, well, really extensive, moving from the Ethiopian highlands out towards West Africa, as you get at this time of year. And it's these waves that then move over the warmer waters of the Atlantic and potentially form into hurricanes. Now, that means that over the next few days, they're no surprise to see that Cape Town will continue to see some showers. And when you get those showers, those temperatures will be a little bit more subdued. Elsewhere, still the risk of some showers, not as many in Khartoum as we had earlier on in the week. Dry, settled and sunny elsewhere. A shamal has been blowing across the Middle East over recent days, still there. That's helping to ease the extreme heat that we've seen across Iraq. It's still 44 degrees and still 47 into Kuwait. And still the risk of some showers as well across western Yemen over the next few days, with a bit more of a breeze and something developing through the Arabian Peninsula. We'll need to keep an eye on that as well as we move through the weekend. Here's our city forecast then over the next few days. Lots of hot, settled summer sunshine around. Hello there. Monsoon rains pretty active at the moment, particularly through northern India. If we take a look at the satellite picture, however, I just want to point out this circulation through the Arabian Sea. We'll need to keep an eye on that. And this circulation through the Bay of Bengal producing some very heavy rainfall across Bangladesh and Myanmar at the moment. That's also tied into some wetter weather really across from Odisha up into Chhattisgarh and anywhere northwest. And you can see that circulation through the Arabian Peninsula. Some uncertainty as to how much rain is going to push into the south coast of Pakistan, but there will be some showers, there will be some heavy rainfall here as well. Across parts of Central Asia, it's a little bit more straightforward. Some showers through Kazakhstan and through Uzbekistan. Those showers are easing away. A few showers across Afghanistan into Pakistan as well. And then across that west coast down to the south of India, the rain not as extensive as it can be at this time of year. You can see where the heaviest of the rain is, the brighter yellows and greens denoting the intensity of that rainfall. So here's our city forecast for the next 5 days. Plenty of sharp showers expected into Mumbai and into Islamabad. We could see some heavy rain as we push into next week. But elsewhere, well, Nur Sultan will see those showers easing and a good deal of dry, sunny weather is expected. Hello there. After 67 days of no rain and extreme heat, Dallas, Texas had some showers on Thursday. You can see the shower cloud drifting a little bit further east on the satellite picture. There's a risk still of some showers today, but then the heat and the sunshine is set to return. In fact, the showers moving through Louisiana over to the Carolinas. And this weather front is introducing slightly fresher air behind it. That will come as welcome news. Still the risk of some sharp showers across the desert southwest and along the west coast. It's a little bit quieter, but we still got that heat across the northern plains. So this is the story then through British Columbia. Temperatures are likely to be into the mid-70s, fine and settled. Similar story across northern parts of California as well. There, the sharp showers through the desert southwest, hit and miss. But if you catch one or two of them, they could lead to some localised flash flooding. On the whole, Vegas will stay just shy of triple digits. But again, still lots of sunshine expected as we move through the weekend. Believe it or not, 83 Fahrenheit is slightly cooler than it was in New York. So lots of sunshine here. But there's that weather front that's brought the slightly fresher conditions. Still some sharp thundery downpours, large hail expected here for the end of the working week. Into the weekend, a good deal of dry weather. And as I say, the sunshine and the triple digits return for Dallas, Texas. Hello there. Improving weather conditions across southern Brazil after recent heavy rainfall earlier this week. The frontal system, you can just see it on the satellite picture, easing away. Lots of sunshine expected. Most of the weather action actually down to the south where it's wet and windy. There'll be some snow to higher ground, and it's just one area of low pressure by another over the next few days. So it's going to be unsettled. Warmer in northern Argentina, dry, settled and sunny across Brazil. You can see where the showers are, and even through the Amazon basin, some of these showers are lighter in nature than they can be at this time of year. So we're likely to see temperatures around 23 degrees in Rio de Janeiro. Buenos Aires, 21 Celsius. Just a few days ago, they were around 14 or 15 degrees. There's that colder, wetter, windier weather down to the south. So here's the story then as we move into the weekend. A good deal of fine weather continues into Rio. We might see some showers and a cooler feel through the Monday in Buenos Aires, but not for long. Now, sharp showers across Mexico and down into Central America look quite widespread along that south coast as we go through Friday and into the weekend. There'll be a scattering of showers as well into the Caribbean for Friday and the weekend ahead too. So our city forecasts show this quite clearly. Plenty of showers expected in Havana, Cuba, and plenty of heavy rain for San Jose. Hello there. Let's start off with a look at the satellite picture across Asia. There is plenty to talk about at the moment. Seen some heavy rain just recently from the remnants of Mulan that's moving its way through Vietnam, still producing some rain. Obviously, it's not a storm. We still got some extreme heat across central and eastern China. Shanghai, once again, expecting to see temperatures in excess of 40 degrees. And we've still got some sharp showers this time across North Korea, and a storm system, a tropical storm, quickly moving its way through the eastern half of Japan as well. Now, further south of that, we've got some sharp showers across the Philippines, down through Malaysia and Indonesia too. So this is the city forecast then as we move through the weekend and into next week. Some showers continuing, particularly expected for Seoul once again. Now over to Australia and New Zealand. Plenty to talk about here as well. A weather front pushing into Western Australia, bringing some wet and windy weather. Another front moving its way through Eastern Australia and leaving behind some cooler air. And a ridge of high pressure still dominates across New Zealand, bringing some cooler conditions, frosty starts, but some lovely spells of sunshine. It's not expected to last, however, as we move into next week. Some wetter weather is set to return, and already weather warnings are in force. So enjoy the sunshine if you can. That's it. Take care.